Please subscribe the Academic Mystery channel and press the bell icon to get new upcoming update.
First of all, open the Chrome browser and search the download Codeblock. And here I am searching download Codeblocks, and this is open. Here click on the first link and go to download the binary release, and click on the download this and MinGW setup.exe and click on the sourceforce.net, and this page is redirect on the sourceforce.net page. And here auto download will be initiated, and here I am saving this file, and this is the codeblock.exe file. I am going to open the codeblock.exe and click on the double click on this exe file, and here this is going to be open, and this is the installing process. So click on the next, then again I agree, then next, then install, and this file will be going to be installed. Please wait until this file will be installed. So this file may take long time, so please wait. I am skipping this file to and here this file is going to be ended, that means downloaded, and click on yes and click on next, click on next and finish, and here automatically open Codeblock.exe. And for the environment setup, please go to compiler and go to reset default, that is auto detect the environment path of GCC compiler, and click on OK. And here I am gonna to print the hello world program. So as include here, as include angle bracket, inside the angle bracket std dot input output dot h and int min and printf hello world. And here this is the int function that must return 0, and I am going to the build, and I am going to be hit run, and this is going to be run. Thank you.